Remark is a privacy-first AI operating system built into a pair of glasses that turns everyday conversation into action. While powerful AI exists for everything from scheduling to research, most people never end up using them because they're too complex to access. Remark bridges this gap between AI and people, letting users simply speak naturally while the system handles the rest. Remark automatically detects things like reminders, plans, notes, grocery lists, and messages, and then routes them to the right AI agent without requiring any apps, prompts, or screens. By processing audio locally on device and keeping privacy at its core, Remark gives everyone from children to seniors the full benefits of AI for the most natural interface conversation.
For the audio to intent string portion of the project, we streamed audio straight from the Meta Ray-Ban glasses microphone. So basically how the speech to user intent part of our project operates is that we take the audio coming off the glasses and send it to DeepGram, which turns it into text in real time. Once we have the text, the next step is to turn it into intent, which is what the user actually wants to get done. We hand each finished line to Claude with a prompt tuned for messy, real conversation, which has to tell the difference between an actual plan and just chit-chat. When Claude decides something is actionable, it turns the conversation into one short intent string, like add lunch with David at noon. The other piece that makes the intent string precise is location, which is baked into Claude's context to get a more precise intent string.
After Claude identifies intent, we send a natural language string to our backend TypeScript AI agent router on a background thread so that everything runs in parallel. Our router tries 3 tiers. First, we use ASI1 to search the fetch AI agent verse to find a specialized agent for your task. Second, if the request is specifically calendar shaped, we actually hosted our own calendar agent on Fetch AI to demonstrate the power of utilizing specialized agents versus generalized agents for these kind of tasks. And third, in the case where you can't find a specialized agent, we actually have browser-based plus stagehand as a fallback. This is a cloud browser where we hand a generalized agent browser tools, allowing it to navigate essentially any website and complete the task no matter what.
Regarding the privacy aspect of our model, we mainly had to tackle two main issues, which is how do we handle raw input images and audio. And where most models and systems out there basically take those raw input images, videos, like audios, and store them in like a server to be used later, what we essentially do is we process everything in real time, disregard raws, and so that they can't be accessed later. For example, audio is we process each sentence in a conversation in real time, pass them to an agent that summarizes those sentences, and then we store those summarized sentences into kind of like an intent paragraph, kind of like a direction to give like specialized agents later on, like what tasks they should perform. And so that way we don't store any raw audio or any raw transcripts or any raw wording that could be potentially violating privacy aspects. And for video, although we didn't have time to implement this, but we were thinking of using like pure object detection and basically just like taking things from the frame that could be used as context and kind of like feeding in text tokens into a model instead of feeding in actual like raw like images. So that way like the privacy concerns of like third parties being like, oh, I don't want to be like filmed, that will be circumvented because they're not actually being filmed. It's just they're turned into text essentially. Just like, oh, a person has walked by. That's it. No face, no nothing. Nothing is being stored. Everything's processed locally. Hey, how's it been?
Hey, how you doing? I've been great. I haven't seen you in a while.
Yeah, I know, it's been so long. We should totally meet up sometime.
Yeah, maybe we should go somewhere to eat or something, or what do you think?
Yeah, I think that sounds great. Oh, by the way, I forgot to ask. You mentioned something about like your cats on social media?
Yeah, they were trying to run out of the house, but everyone's
Oh,
all okay now. We got
oh
them
my
back.
goodness, that's crazy. By the way, how were finals? I know that finals just ended.
Yeah, finals are really, really stressful, but we're over it now, so
Yeah,
everything's
that's
all good.
great. Oh,
Yeah.
back to the, what did you say, lunch or dinner?
Yeah, I think maybe dinner would work better for me.
Okay, wait, that sounds good. Does tomorrow 7 p.m. work for you?
Yeah, tomorrow 7 p.m. How about like maybe Panda Express tomorrow?
Okay, yeah, dinner at Panda Express? Fire.
Okay, yeah.
Wait, that sounds
great.
good.
Okay.
Actually, after checking my calendar, I realized that maybe it doesn't work for me. Could we actually reschedule that to Sunday, 7 p.m.?
Okay, yeah, so Sunday 7 p.m. at Panda Express.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Okay.
Okay, see you then.
Alright, I'll see you.
Okay, see you. Bye bye.